Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Graham and today I'm going to show you around this 2013 Jaguar XF R Sport. Now this is in the grey metallic and is sat on the multi-spoke alloy wheels. This has to be one of the nicest 13-plate Jaguar XFs we've currently had recently. Part exchanged in by the local keeper for another Jaguar XF, the newer version of it. But this vehicle has only just done over 57,000 miles, which for a 2013 plate car, nearly 10 years old, is really, really low mileage. Now this is the facelift vehicle, so you get the signature Jaguar headlamps, and you get then the grille, which is in a mix of chrome and then the piano black detail. The bottom power vents are also there in the bumper. Headlamp wash, as I say, signature LED lights, but all in all, what a wonderful car. 57,000 miles, 2 keys with it. The history is wonderful on it. If you have a look at the pictures, you'll see the stamped up to date. Recently serviced in August of 22 and MOT'd at the same point as well. Since the last keeper's had it, he's only been doing probably around about 4,000 miles a year in it. Bought it when it was a one-owner vehicle, but a beautiful car. It's got the reversing sensors front and rear and also the reversing camera, which is really, really nice. But just look at the size of that boot. Very lightly used in its life, very clean. Everything about it is in wonderful condition. So we've got the Jaguar inflation kit there also. But the paintwork on it is in super gleaming. When you look down the sides, you can tell it's been truly cherished. The whole paintwork is just in wonderful order. All the wheels are exceptional. Tyres are brilliant. Everything about it is just A1. Inside we have the half leather black Alcantara interior. I'll have to be quick because it's starting to rain. But we've got power folding door mirrors as well. That's a factory option. There are £2,150 worth of factory options on this car, which if you look on the advert it will be detailed as well. But the interior is a testament to the previous owner's care and attention to detail. So as we jump in the car, it's a straightforward start, so press the button, it starts up, and then the mileage will be shown there for you of 57,882. So yeah, what do you think of that? Low mileage, very, very nice. Automatic headlamps, we've got leather trim multifunction steering wheel. This car then comes with heated front windscreen as an option and also heated seats as an option as well. That's called a winter pack, which is there. Reversing camera is a factory option again, so some very, very nice specification on this vehicle. Very nice indeed. I don't smoke and tell this car's not been smoked in as well. So we've got satellite navigation, he says. Let it all just start up. So there's your SAT NAV. You've got your Bluetooth phone, you've got your menu for everything, DAB radio. It does have a CD player as well, if you're like me, you like a CD. All the book packs there, all the service documentation is all in there, locking wheel nuts in there. But the car is in absolutely as good as I've seen a 2013 Jag in many a year. Lots of storage facility and cubby holes here in the centre armrest, and then that's all in the high gloss piano black finish. Nice size storage cubby hole, and we've got then the USB and auxiliary and a 12-volt charger in there as well. Automatic dimming mirror, and as I say, the factory option of the again the power folding door mirrors, and they're also auto dimming. So what a wonderful car. Paddles on there as well, Luke, paddle shift. Wow, wow, wow. But yeah, a lovely car to drive, a lovely car to own, 57,000 miles just over, super on fuel, digital sort of style dashboard. But the Jaguar F-Pace, the Jaguar XF, the Jaguar XE, they're all wonderful cars to own and drive. The diesel engines in them are really reliable, super on fuel, and very, very desirable cars as well. So all in all, I would give that 10 out of 10. It is a lovely car. Riding on branded tyres as well, Goodyear Eagles. So this is a car which is riding on branded tyres, has got a full documented service history, has got 2 keys. Everything that was there when the last keeper bought it is there available today. Facelift car with the signature headlamps, so it looks like the modern Jaguars are now. But what a wonderful example. The first to see this car will most definitely buy it. If you'd like to reserve it with us, give us a call. I'll take a £250 deposit. That will reserve the car and take it off sale and until you come to view the vehicle. We do that because you can collect it on the same day. We'll prepare it to the highest of standards, so you only have to come once and do the reserve and collect from our showroom here. I'm Graham, we've got Lee and we've got Dom. We'll be happy to help you in any way we possibly can. If you need finance, give us a call. If you've got a part exchange, give us a call. Check out our reviews on Auto Trader. You'll see we're a 5-star family dealer. Been doing this now for more than 40 years here in Wigan. So thanks for watching the video, and I look forward to your inquiry.